Today, I'm showing you how to make a cool intro using CapCut on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open CapCut. Open the CapCut app on your Android phone. Step 2. Create New Project. Tap New Project to start creating your intro. Step 3. Import Template. Import the intro template you want to use. You can download free intro templates online or use CapCut's built-in templates. Tap the template to add it to your timeline. Step 4. Preview Template. The template appears on your timeline with its default animation and effects. Step 5. Add Text. Tap Text at the bottom of the screen, then tap Add Text to create your intro text. Step 6. Type your intro text. For example, intro, your channel name, or any text you want to display. Step 7. Customize text. Select your text and customize it. Change font style, adjust color, modify size, add stroke or shadow, change alignment. Preview intro. Tap the play button to preview your complete intro with text and animations. And that's it. You've successfully created a video intro using CapCut on your Android device.